Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where we explore just how easily you can cancel a quote in Kugamon using Cirra AI. Cirra AI acts like an AI Salesforce admin, allowing teams to manage Salesforce actions simply by describing what they need. When paired with Kugamon CPQ, routine tasks like canceling quotes become faster without manual navigation. This video is part of a Kugamon and Cirra AI series, which means it is advised that you watch the previous related videos on how you can create a quote, update a quote, clone a quote in Kugamon with Cirra AI, because for this particular tutorial, we're going to pick up where we left off, and we're going to need a quote to cancel. So if you haven't watched those yet, it is recommended, and when you are done, we'll pick things up from there. Now I assume you're all caught up, and whether you are an admin supporting revenue operations or a user working with quotes day to day, this video will show you how easy Cirra AI streamlines your whole process. So let's dive right in and explore it further together. So go ahead and open the same conversation thread that we have been using with Claude. So from here, what I want you to do is open the cloned quote, and you're going to make sure that you have the right one, that the name says copy, and just copy this quote number, and we're going to use it to ask Claude to then cancel that newly cloned quote. So here, okay. Please update the status of the quote in Kugamon to cancel. So once you've asked, let's click enter. So now you more or less should have a similar update on your screen letting you know that that cloned quote has been canceled. So what we're going to do now is where it says view quote, we are going to open that link. And where your status field is, I want you to just check that and make sure it shows closed, canceled. Now, on top, it should also say canceled. What we want to do next is locate and click into the Create PDF button. And great. What we're looking for is this red canceled watermark over the quote PDF. If you have confirmed that you also see this, then congratulations, you've successfully canceled a quote in Kugamon using Cirra AI. Now, if you have any additional questions about any of these steps, please reference the video description below for helpful shortcut links to get in touch with the appropriate support team. And if you like this video, we do recommend that you check out the additional videos in this Kugamon and Cirra AI video series. See you next time.